Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is our summer edition evening routine. I'm sure, if you have children, you understand that the evening routine on school nights is a lot different, potentially, it is for us anyways. Evening routine is a lot different on school nights than it is in the summer. We have a lot later bedtimes. There's no homework to have to throw in. There's a lot less things that have to be done in the evening. I plan on doing a back to school evening routine when that time rolls back around. But right now I don't even want to think about back to school time because we're just now getting out of school and I'm really looking forward to these summer months. So the biggest thing that I want to point out about my evening routine is how important a good evening routine is to allow you to have an easier, more productive morning. So if I do these things each night, it sets me up for a successful day the next day. It sets me up to be able to wake up with less stress and keep my everyday flow going. So for me personally, it helps so much to have an evening routine, and I do my best to stick with this most nights, but of course, not every night is going to be perfect. There are definitely times where we're out late shopping or something like that, and you get home late and you're just too tired to do this stuff. But for the most part, wanted to give you guys a little look into our evening routine summer edition. So this particular evening, I actually started off the evening by getting our weekly groceries. And the reason I wanted to take you all with me is because I wanted to point out one of my absolute favorite discoveries for this past year. That is online grocery shopping. Our local grocery stores, a few of them offer it, but you go online, you place your order for groceries. Some of them offer delivery. I don't do the delivery, but I'll go pick it up. You just pull into the parking lot. There's a designated area that you pull into. For this specific grocery store, you call when you get there and you let them know that you're coming, and they will come out this side door, roll the groceries to your car. I will just hop out, help them unload it, and you're done. It is so convenient. If you have small children, taking them into the grocery store is such a pain. And one of my best stress relievers is discovering this grocery shopping. Not only is this so convenient, but also I have saved so much money grocery shopping online. I'll make my list, we plan our meals, I stick to that. You're not at the store saying, oh, those cookies look good, I'm gonna throw those into the cart, and oh yeah, you know what? In addition to my list, I'm gonna grab those because those look good. I cannot tell you, I am not exaggerating. We usually spend half the amount on groceries by doing it online versus going to the store. I'm telling you, if you've never tried it, give it a try for a couple weeks. See how number one convenient it is, but how much money you save. After grocery shopping that evening, we came home and I actually picked up dinner on the way home. This is something I try to avoid, which is fast food. I didn't actually personally get anything for dinner that night. That was fast food. I ended up coming home and having some leftovers later after the girls went to bed. But typically our evening routine is to come home, to have dinner, and we sit down at the dining room table and we'll eat dinner together. Talk about our day. That night the girls got an extra special treat of McDonald's breakfast for dinner. So that is probably not the best meal I should have showed in this video because that's definitely not a meal to be proud of, but it was a special treat for my girls. Definitely once in a while thing of pancakes and bacon and egg biscuits for dinner. That is what they're eating. The point of this is it's important to sit at the table and have dinner as a family. After dinner, I try every night to clean up the kitchen. Now tonight was not very difficult. I had some clean dishes in the dishwasher that I unloaded and just reloaded the dishwasher. If I have any extra pans, I'll wash those and put them to the side. Actually, most days, my older daughter, who is 10, will unload and reload the dishwasher, and she does most of the kitchen, and that is her daily routine. This evening, I just went ahead and did the dishwasher and did that for her because there wasn't much to do. After cleaning up the kitchen, while my girls are getting ready for bed, I will go and just straighten up the house. If they have toys and things like that, or if my younger daughter has pulled off all the cushions and the pillows from the couch and put them in the floor and a bunch of blankets to run around on, we will all tidy up a bit, and especially the living room area. Although 99% of the time I do have my girls clean their room before bed too, because the more you keep up with it, the easier it is. So we will clean up the living room, straighten up. A lot of times, especially just the rug in the living room, I will grab my quick cordless Dyson, which is the best creation ever for cleaning a house. But I will grab my cordless Dyson, vacuum that rug real quickly, which makes the living room look really clean, because a lot of times that'll get crumbs or just little things here and there, until I'll spot vacuum on the rug. Not every night, but most nights I do that. But the rest of the carpet I don't usually do every night. So after the living room is straightened up, the girls will go clean up their rooms, make sure that their rooms are nice and tidy. After their rooms are nice and clean, we will start to get ready for bed. Now, my older daughter usually showers every night, so she will jump in the shower. My younger daughter usually showers about every other night, although in the summer usually we're just not getting into that, but a lot of times in the summer they will shower, both of them will shower every night, because they're outside, they're playing in the water, things like that. So after showers, getting into their pajamas, you know, they will brush their teeth, get ready for bed. My older daughter does her own hair and all that stuff. She'll get herself ready. My younger daughter, I still brush her hair and things like that. So I'll sit in there with her and brush her hair, and she will start to, while she's getting in her pajamas and cleaning up her room, I will lay out her outfit on her office chair, her little desk chair, every night to get prepared for the next morning, because she'll get herself dressed in the morning, but I do pick out her outfit. So I will lay that out for her every night. My oldest daughter, when it's during school time, will pick out her outfit every night before school, but during the summer she'll just get dressed in the morning, so she doesn't usually lay out an outfit each night, but I do for my younger daughter. Now, a lot of times I'll read my younger daughter a book before bed, and my older daughter will, usually the last 30 minutes before bed, will lay in bed and read a book for about 30 minutes each night. And that helps her to unwind and to relax and to rest before her bedtime. So when it's bedtime, I will go in there with each girl and tuck them in and say our prayers and get them ready for bed. And once they are all tucked into bed, it is my turn to try to unwind and relax. So one of my favorite things that I have incorporated into my evening routine lately is showering every night, because it helps me to get ready so fast in the morning when I just go ahead and just shower at night. Not only does it help me get ready so quickly in the next morning, but it also is nice to go to bed clean and with a clean face and great skincare routine each night, and your teeth brushed. It just feels good to climb into bed fresh and clean. Not to mention the hot water from the shower is nice and relaxing, and if you have any kind of like lavender shower gel, things like that you can do, it just helps you to relax for the night. So after I shower, I will get out, and I've already washed my face in the shower, but I usually get a makeup wipe and will just wipe away any leftover makeup that it didn't come off in the shower, and I will apply my skincare, my eye cream, you know, my facial moisturizer, maybe a face oil if I have any at the moment. I just ran out of my favorite kind, but I'll show you as I'm putting them on what I'm using currently. Some of my favorites have recently ran out, so I'm trying to use what I have. I will wash my face, brush my teeth, get ready for bed, you know, all of that stuff, get in my pajamas, and then I will go out and pick out my outfit for the next day, and I'll lay it on my bathroom counter. So every night I go ahead and just plan out my outfit for the next day. Usually it's just leggings and a plain old shirt. Like, it's nothing special because I do work from home. So it doesn't have to be anything special, but it's still nice to just have it laying there ready for you the next morning. Now, I really like to relax, and after I'm fully ready, you know, after I'm showered, the house is clean, it is really nice to just plop on the couch or in bed, either with my laptop or my phone or, you know, my iPad, just something to sit back and relax and have some scroll time and social media time, or just to watch TV with my husband on the couch. So that's another way that I just unwind every night, is to just hang out with my husband if he's at home and just relax and have my own screen time for the night. So that's one of the things. Sometimes I'll hang out in bed and I'll read a book that I'm currently reading, and we like to have, or I do anyways, I like to have some sleepy time tea. Now, sometimes I don't do this every night, but it is a good habit to get into, to check your planner for the next day. Or if you don't use a planner, kind of think about your plans for the next day. What am I going to do? What do I need to be thinking about? You know, just kind of pre-plan for your next day, because it helps so much, helps me anyways, to just kind of remember, oh yeah, I have this going on the next day, and oh, I'm so glad I thought about that, so I can, you know, lay this out or whatever, you know, just kind of just quickly go through your plans for the next day. It doesn't have to be an hour-long session of sitting down and detailing everything you're going to do, but just kind of think real quickly. Well, what am I planning on doing tomorrow? Do I need to do anything to prepare tonight for my plans tomorrow? And that just helps you to get in bed knowing that everything's already taken care of and you can just wake up and have a nice relaxing morning. So that is my summer edition evening routine. I do love this routine a whole lot better than the back to school routine because it doesn't include homework and it doesn't include early bedtimes and all that stuff. I really do love summertime and I'm so excited that it's upon us now. As I said before, I feel like it is so important to have some sort of evening routine to set yourself up for success the next day. It has been so life-changing for me to start doing things like making sure the house is straightened up each night and making sure that I have showered each night to get myself ready to where I can easily get ready every morning quickly because I've already showered and my hair is already blow dried and things like that. So it's really nice to set yourself up for success the next day. I hope you enjoyed my summer edition evening routine. Let me know some of the tips that you all do to keep yourself organized and setting yourself up for success the next morning. I hope this helped some of you to find ways to just de-stress and stay organized. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I will be doing some more morning routines and just all kinds of videos are coming up that hopefully will help you in your life to stay organized. And I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much for watching.